again, to my point, if she tries for the doctor, there she goes. No, no, there you go. I hate to say I told you so, Kevin, and I told you so.
Well, she's going to have to find another way to win here. Floating over, and Nyla Rose now looking to move offensively here and advance to the semifinals.
Rose also known for a powerbomb. Here, this will do it.
Two. And just ripping the right shoulder up. Of course, the left one is so greatly affected.
But I think the longer this match goes, the more it's going to favour Rose. It starts to wear down the left arm of Nightingale. This amiable, bubbly competitor. Swinging a big miss there.
And now Nyla Rose, this.
Ooh, ate that one in the mouth. Oh, nasty.
And now watch.
Here it comes if she hits this choke. Oh, Nightingale saving herself.
Big 8-man tag coming up, folks. What a night it's been thus far in Collision. And there is still so much more to go as Nyla Rose hammers away on Willow Nightingale.
Watch out!
Shades of body ground.
Oh, she's not. No way. No way.
That
no
was a
way.